I've been sneezing quite a while, but I was somewhere else. Not by my phone anyway. Oh yeah, there's a camera kid. Let me see. I think I'm sneezing about 2 minutes. What I've actually noticed, I've stopped sneezing after eating. Well, I haven't stopped, but it's become less. I don't know why. Oh. I've never been a person that likes sweet food. I always drink coffee black, but I never put sugar in it. I put sweeteners in it. And I don't like soft drinks with sugar, and I like zero sugar. So maybe that's the reason why I stopped sneezing, because my intake on sugar is less. Or maybe because, I don't know if you can see there, I've got in the background, I've got there. We had the air fryer. And before that we had the Actifry. Maybe that's the reason why I've stopped sneezing, or after eating especially, because we have less fat intake. I don't know. Anybody else out there with the same problem? Let me know. Just comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell to get more notifications of my videos. Well, my sneezing's finished, so